Hello, I'm Max Gross, the teacher here at the Collision Repair Center in Olean, New York for BOCES. I'd like to just say that I've been doing this now for 4 years. We completed my 4th year of teaching, and with the help and support of the Collision Repair Education Foundation, it's been very helpful to me. This is one of the projects here that we are working on this year. Before the COVID-19. After the COVID-19, it kind of went on hold, so it's been set in a few months. We're hoping next year to pick up where it left off last year with the students working on it and finishing this vehicle up. Some of the things I'm striving to get to are Tier 1. I figure I'm at a Tier 3 right now. I would like to, get the rest of the tools off the tool list and stuff to get to a Tier 1. And there's some other bigger things I need. One of the things I was putting in for this year, I will take in my booth and show you. I would like to get a fresh air system. I thought maybe we could run some drops around and down the walls for each student. I think that would be a lot safer and better than just the respirators that we now use. A lot of shops, or most all shops I guess, have fresh air systems, so it would be beneficial for the kids to learn to use it. It'd be safer, and it would be something that when they go into the industry they would use and be more familiar with that way. Another thing we don't have is we don't have any ventilation for our welding system. Okay, so as we weld, the fumes, we have to open the door or something. We don't really have any ventilation. So ventilation system to get rid of welding fumes would be another thing we could really use, along with any of the list of tools on our tool list that we have marked off that we need. With the COVID-19, we're not really sure when we're going to start next year, or just what's going to be in play, but we'll work that out, and hopefully we'll be back in the shop with the students and finish out the next year where we left off last year. That's all I have. Thank you.